At present, the market price of pure saffron ranges from $4,000 to $5,000 per kilogram. But do you know why saffron is so expensive? And what are the reasons that makes the saffron so expensive? So let's know in this video. Saffron was first used in the world by ancient Persian worshippers. They used saffron to make yellow color, medicine, and perfume. But saffron is very bitter in taste and its aroma is like grass. The chemicals picrocrocin and safrarinol found in saffron give it such a smell, and for this reason, the smell of saffron is very bad. But saffron is used in abundance in making health-enhancing medicines. A new study has shown that saffron proves to be very beneficial to keep the eyes healthy and to remove the weakness in the eyes with age. It is also used in eye diseases such as cataract and macular degeneration. Saffron is also used to cure alopecia, which means baldness. If you are also very conscious about taking care of your skin, then you must definitely use saffron. Saffron actively acts against ultraviolet radiation, inflammation, and hyperpigmentation. Ultraviolet radiation is such a problem that makes you old prematurely, and in this case, saffron will prove to be very effective for you. Saffron is also used in many heart problems. Saffron tea must be useful for people who have blood pressure problems. According to a research, saffron reduces your appetite and helps in losing weight. According to macrobiotic nutritionist and health practitioner Shilpa Arora, drinking saffron mixed with milk and applying it on the forehead provides quick relief from cold and flu. Saffron has various medicinal properties and is warm in nature, which helps in reducing the risk of catching a cold. In the urinary tract and kidneys, saffron purifies the kidneys and bladder, also prevents infection of the urinary tract and facilitates the passage of the kidney stone. Kasturi Kesar stops the growth of extra hair growing on the face of women. Saffron paste imparts smoothness to a woman's skin. It also gives the skin a golden tint. Saffron is traditionally used as a calming mood booster. But recent studies show that saffron lowers level of stress hormone, cortisol, and importantly helps in balancing the mood levels and also control brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. Along with having so many benefits of saffron, it also has many side effects. Some possible side effects include dry mouth, anxiety, agitation, drowsiness, low mood, sweating, nausea or vomiting, constipation or diarrhea, change in appetite, flushing, and headache. Taking large amounts of saffron by mouth is not safe. High doses can cause poisoning, including yellow appearance of the skin, eyes, and mucous membranes. Saffron is surprisingly easy to grow. After 8 to 10 weeks of growing, saffron plant starts flowering. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world because there are only 3 stigmas grow in each saffron flower. That is, only 3 fibers per flower can be gathered. Saffron is not found everywhere. It is cultivated only in selected areas as the favorable climate for its growing. The process of cultivation and harvesting of saffron is also very complicated. Saffron cannot be harvested by machines, so its harvesting requires a lot of labor. The process of extracting saffron takes a lot of effort. For this, the flowers of saffron plants are plucked by hand and then dried for 4 to 5 hours in a steady place. Only 3 red colored saffron are present in each flower, which are removed or separated by hands. And thus, to get 1 kilogram of saffron, about 150,000 flowers are required. Iran has the highest production of saffron in the whole world. Apart from this, saffron is also grown in Italy, Spain, Pakistan, Turkestan, Greece, China, and India. When saffron is so expensive, we must also confirm its origin. Now the question arises that how to identify the real saffron? There is an easy way to identify the real saffron. Firstly, place 1 or 2 pieces of saffron on white paper. After that, put 2 to 3 drops of cold water on it. If the saffron is real, it will emit a pale yellow color, which will turn the water yellow, and saffron's own color will remain red. If the color of saffron changes, then understand that it is fake saffron. Your one like is very precious for us, so please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.